Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're going to dive into what we believe is the best tool shed for outdoor storage, the Rubbermaid Vertical Resin Outdoor Storage Shed. If you're looking for a reliable, durable, and low-maintenance solution to store all your outdoor tools, this could be the perfect addition to your backyard or patio. This Rubbermaid shed offers a compact design with dimensions of 4 feet by 2.5 feet, making it a great fit for smaller spaces, while still offering plenty of room to store all your gardening tools, pool chemicals, patio cushions, or even pool toys. The sleek beige and brown color also helps it blend into any outdoor setting, so it won't stick out like a sore thumb. What makes this shed stand out is its impressive durability. The tough, double-wall resin construction is designed to withstand the elements, ensuring that it won't rust or rot, unlike metal or wood sheds. Whether you're facing rain, snow, or intense sun, this shed will keep your belongings safe and secure all year long. Plus, it has an impact-resistant floor, meaning it's built to last and can stand up to heavy items without any issues. Another great feature of this shed is its maintenance-free nature. Say goodbye to worrying about leaks, dents, or rotting. This storage solution is dent and leak resistant, which means that after setting it up, you can pretty much forget about it and just enjoy the extra storage space. It's a hassle-free solution for anyone who wants a reliable shed without the constant upkeep. When it comes to customization, the Rubbermaid vertical storage shed doesn't fall short. You can easily add shelves, hooks, pegboards, or other Rubbermaid accessories to tailor the shed to your needs. The wall panels can hold up to 75 pounds, so you have the flexibility to add extra organizational tools and really optimize your storage. For added security, the shed comes with lockable doors, ensuring that your tools and other items are safe from unauthorized access. While the lock isn't included, it's easy to add one, and you can rest assured knowing your belongings are secure inside the shed. As for assembly, it's incredibly simple. No special tools are required, and you'll be able to set it up in no time. Even better, it's a straightforward process that doesn't require a professional. Just follow the instructions, and you'll have it ready in no time. In summary, if you're looking for the best tool shed outdoor storage, the Rubbermaid Vertical Resin Outdoor Storage Shed is an excellent choice. It combines durability, convenience, and ease of maintenance into one compact and stylish solution for all your outdoor storage needs. Thanks for tuning into Product Critique, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more reviews like this one.